Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Dunkin, complete guide step by step clearly. To budget effectively with Dunkin, start by assessing your monthly coffee and snack habits. List the items you typically purchase at Dunkin. This will include your favorite drinks, snacks, and any seasonal specialties. Next, check the prices of these items on the Dunkin menu. Calculate your average spending by multiplying the number of times you visit each month by the cost of each item. Once you have a total, consider setting a monthly limit for your Dunkin purchases. Make adjustments to your limit based on your overall budget and savings goals. To help you stick to this budget, consider using cash for your Dunkin visits. This physical limit can help control impulse purchases. Alternatively, use a budgeting app to track your Dunkin expenses in real time. Look for any promotions or discounts Dunkin may offer, such as loyalty rewards or seasonal deals. Utilize the Dunkin app to earn points on your purchases, which can be redeemed for free items. If your budget is tight, explore making some of your favorite Dunkin drinks at home. Invest in items like coffee, creamers, and flavorings that mirror your Dunkin favorites. Plan your visits ahead of time, deciding how often you'll treat yourself to Dunkin. This will prevent spontaneity and help control overspending. Lastly, review your Dunkin budget every month to see how well you are sticking to your plan. Adjust your budget as necessary depending on your habits and financial situation. By following these steps, you can enjoy Dunkin while maintaining a healthy budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.